In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Razer Blackshark V2 Pro to Xbox Series X. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to properly set up and connect your Razer Blackshark V2 Pro on an Xbox Series S or X console. Now, something that I need to make very clear is that you will only be able to use your Razer Blackshark V2 Pro wirelessly on your Xbox Series X if you have the specific Razer Blackshark V2 Pro model designed for Xbox consoles. So there are multiple Razer Blackshark V2 Pro models, and there is a specific one made for Xbox consoles. If you have one that is designed for PlayStation or PC, there is no guarantee that it is going to work. And in this video, I'm going to be talking specifically about the one designed for Xbox. So if you have this specific model, all that you have to do is unbox it, and included there will be a Type-C wireless dongle. This is what you will be using to connect it to your Xbox console wirelessly. So on the actual Type-C dongle itself, you will find a little toggle that you can switch into Xbox mode. So place the dongle in Xbox mode. Now, you will be able to connect it to your console by using the provided USB-C to USB-A adapter. This will allow you to plug the Type-C wireless dongle into any of the available USB Type-A ports on your Xbox console. And as soon as this is done and you power on the headset, it will automatically pair itself up with the Type-C dongle as long as you are in close proximity. You will be able to use it in game chat, and you will listen to all of the audio being output on the console through the Razer Blackshark V2 Pro headset. If it doesn't work right away, make sure that it is sufficiently charged. You can charge the headset with the included USB-A to USB-C cable by plugging it into any provided and suitable USB power source. And once it is sufficiently charged, which usually takes 3 to 4 hours, you will be able to use it on any Xbox console. Just plug in the Type-C wireless dongle. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Razer Blackshark V2 Pro to Xbox Series X. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.